welcome to Saturday Morning Cartoons. Today we're going to discuss car maintenance. Car maintenance varies from brakes, tires, oil changes, tune-ups, all the stuff to maintain your car to make it work at its optimal performance. I'll use my Dodge Charger here as an example. It's a 2019 Dodge Charger 392 Scat Pack with the Hellcat package on it. Changed my brakes on it when it needs to be changed, put new tires on it when it needs to be put on, change the oil every 5,000 miles. I think I have 104,000 miles on this car. This car has given me no problems at all. You know, just a general, I changed the shocks on it, front and rear. You know, it's a car. Things will go bad on it, you know. But just the general stuff, if you keep up on it, they tend to run forever. High performance car, always put 93 in it. You know, maintain the paint, wash it, clean it every once in a while. This car has been no breakdowns at all. So let's talk about 5 years. 5 years of owning this car. No breakdowns, never let me stranded. Nothing, just general maintenance on it. You know, you do the general maintenance on a lot of these newer cars. Not unless you have something catastrophically happen, it lasts forever. And look at this Nissan right here. General maintenance on this. I bought this car used 2.5 years ago, almost 3 years ago. And it had 44,000 miles on it. Now it has 66,000 miles on it. I do the oil changes on it. I'm about ready to do a brake job on it. I upgraded the suspension. No problems, no nothing at all. Just push the button and go. You know, just the general maintenance on the car. I gotta do a tune-up. So this winter I'm gonna do a tune-up. I'm gonna put either supercharger or turbocharger kit. I think I still will go with a turbocharger. But just general maintenance. These cars nowadays, they will last forever. They will look good forever if you just maintain them. You know, it's nothing worse than you see somebody got a car and is a couple years old and then it's ragged out. You know, nobody wanted to change the brake pads. Nobody wanted to. They're riding around with bald tires, and the car just doesn't perform well. So, my advice to a lot of people, you know, put a little money aside every month, because you never know when you're gonna have to buy tires, or you never know when you're gonna have to put a battery in the car. Matter of fact, I got a battery I got to put in this car next week. You know, just because it's 5 years old. Not because I'm having issues, but the battery gets old after a little while. So a lot of people will ride to the battery, won't turn over the car, or won't light anything up on the inside on your idiot lights. Why wait that long? Everything has an expiration on it, so just try to keep up on it, and then your cars will last, they'll look good, they'll run forever, you won't have any issues, and then I guess that's all I got to say about that. Car maintenance. It can be your friend. A little bit of money, preventative money up front, can make your car last a lot longer. Remember, like, subscribe, share, tell all your friends, and we'll keep this car video thing going. Y'all have a blessed day.